Hot girl, hot girl, hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Do me a favor, y'all, before this video starts, and hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. But yeah, welcome to my channel, y'all. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I customize and install my lace frontal units from like literally beginning to end. This is everything that I do. So right now, I showed y'all what bleach I use and what developer I use, and I'm showing y'all right now the consistency that I whipped up, and this is what you do not want. Y'all gonna see me put a thumbs down. That is what you do not want. You want your consistency of your bleach to be like pancake batter, toothpaste, something like that. You want to be able to flip over your spoon or your whatever you mixed it with, and you don't want the bleach to come off like that. So this is to prevent the bleach from seeping through your knots and bleaching the roots of your hair. You don't want that. You don't want blonde roots. We just trying to lift up these knots. So I'm having a light hand, even though this is sped up, and I'm spreading that bleach all over this lace. So while I'm doing that, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a little few details about this hair. This is Unice hair. Once again, my third time working with their hair. If y'all watched my last video, me installing this some Unice hair on my best friend, y'all will know that I love this hair, and it was just so easy to work with. The only thing that I didn't like about this specific unit is that the lace was light, but that is not their fault. That ain't nothing really too bad. But I am a dark skinned girl, so from now on I will be telling companies that I want medium brown lace because it blends with my skin tone the best. But we still finessed this lace. As light as it was, I still finessed it and made it fit to my complexion and all of that good stuff. So now I'm just about to start plucking the unit because it came very dense. And yeah, I plan on making a plucking tutorial showing y'all how I pluck my units because I was very confident in this pluck job. Do y'all hear me? Like, I feel like I plucked the mess out of this unit. So yeah, look out for that. Stay tuned for that. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for post notifications, so when I do post future uploads you will be notified. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do this. Like I said, I plan on doing a detailed video. But yeah, I'm just plucking the hair just to thin out the hairline so that it looks more natural. So after I finished plucking my unit, I went in with my Aussie Moist conditioner to wash the actual hair and the Shimmer shampoo to shampoo the knots that I just bleached or whatever. I left that Shimmer shampoo on there for about 10-ish minutes just to lift up a little bit of the brassy tones and the oranginess that you can get after you bleach your knots. And another thing, also left that bleach on the hair for exactly 20 minutes. I always leave my bleach on for 20 minutes when I'm bleaching hair, especially when I'm using 40 volume developer. But do y'all see that pluck job? Yes, like I was very happy about how I plucked this unit. And yeah, she was looking bomb. My best friend straightened her for me, which y'all can see here. Anyways, but yeah, I think I did a really good job plucking this unit, and you can see the lace even better here, how light it is. And then my butt gonna get these super light freaking caps from the beauty supply store. I don't know why I did that. I should have just got some brown ones, but I was just like, I'm gonna put my makeup on them and it could be my exact skin tone, so whatever. We doing a ball cap method, as y'all can see. I'm just cutting my ears out. We gonna put a nice thick layer that got to be glued freeze brush spray on the ball cap, and I'm going to blow dry it and then cut it off and put the makeup on there. I used a makeup, like a foundation that I don't usually use. I should have used something else, but it still worked. It was the L foundation. Everything that I used in this video will be listed in the description box, so make sure y'all go check that out for like more details of products and everything that I used, and also more details of this hair. But yeah, so I'm just cutting that off. I'm going to put the makeup on it, and then we gonna pop the wig on and start installing it. This wasn't my best ball cap, you know, application, so just ignore that. But I'm taking that same foundation, I'm putting it all inside the lace, and I'm going to actually spray the inside of the lace with a little bit of my Got to Be Glued, and then blow dry that, and then we're gonna pop her on and get into this install. I actually did use a glue. I did not use Got to Be Glued to lay my wig down. I actually used Bow Hold, which I featured on my channel before. It's a really good adhesive if you want your wig to stay like longer. So after I cut those ear tabs off and all that good stuff, I'm gonna clean my, oh, that ball cap, that's just horrible, y'all. It's horrible, but it's fine. I'm just gonna clean my hairline with just some regular old alcohol on a cotton pad, and I'm gonna apply my glue. I did 2 layers of this glue, and I let it dry, semi-dry in between, y'all. I was tired after I did my best friend hair. I got real lazy with my my install, but it still came out super cute nonetheless, and that's really all that matters. So I kind of semi let it dry, and then I'm gonna pull that lace down. Y'all will see me comb the hair out and kind of just melt that lace, melt everything into place, and I'm going to blow dry it on medium heat. And yeah, I went for a side part. I usually don't go for side parts, but I'm glad I did, because I freaking slayed this install. And my best friend was like, girl, we always do middle parts. And I'm like, you're right, let me try. It was cute on her, so I wanted to do it. So yeah, I'm just pushing that lace into that glue. We comb it in the back, and you could kind of see the glue a little bit, but it'll completely dry and be clear once it's completely dry. So look at that, like that lace is super light, but she is still looking really good. That pluck job is looking great. So I'm gonna show y'all, especially if you my skin complexion, how to go about finessing some lace that's too light. So I'm taking my KeraCare wax stick, and I'm just putting that all on the edges and everywhere that I'm gonna use my hot comb, and we just gonna hot comb that out, because we want her to be laid, like, period. So now I'm going in with my scissors. Y'all already know, if y'all watch my previous videos, that I like to go in with my scissors to cut slits into the lace. It makes it easier to completely cut it off. I'm using a razor comb because I couldn't find my freaking eyebrow razor. So I'm just using that razor comb. Any razor will work, just be careful. And okay, right here, y'all, I was trying to finesse the lace, but I wasn't feeling it at all. I put the makeup, I think it was the same makeup that I used, to be honest, on the ball cap and on the inside of the lace. That's probably why I didn't like it. It just still looked light and it looked too detectable. But what I ended up doing was I took my Black Radiance contour and highlight palette. It's the dark to deep one. Love that palette. I use it when I'm doing my makeup. And I took the contour shade, which is the middle shade. It's really dark, and that is what I use to conceal the lace, and that works so much, like way better. Y'all gonna see me applying it. I didn't show it in the video, like the actual product, but y'all gonna see me applying it after I did my baby hairs and after I put the scarf on. I went the next day and I put that all over the lace, and that really concealed that light lace and made it look like it was just blended way better. So yeah, I'm just doing my baby hairs with my black Got To Be glue gel. I love using it on my edges. So yeah, just doing those baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them. So this was the next day, and as y'all can tell, it looks way better. You could tell I put a dark makeup on there, so I will end up going into the highlight shade, which is like a more of like a chocolatey type of color, and I'm putting that on top just to make it look, you know, just blend even more. You guys, I did put 2 products on this hair before flat ironing. I will leave it in the description box. Make sure you go check it out. But it's a olive oil like heat protectant and like a KeraCare spray that like helps the hair be silky and just shiny. Both of those products together work really well. So yeah, overall I love this hair. It was super soft, super easy to work with. Thank you so much, Unice Hair, for sending me over this wig. And y'all go check out everything in the description box. All the links and everything will be in there. All the specs, all the details, all of that good stuff, all the products mentioned, everything. So yeah, that's basically the end of this video. Well, voiceover. I'm gonna let the rest of the video roll out. And yeah, if y'all made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications, and leave a comment down below, like this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.
Show me some love, kisses, and hugs. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.